So earlier I recorded a basic drum loop using a drum rack sound, and I wanted to show you something called Similarity Search, which is available in Ableton Live 12, and it's a very interesting feature and it can actually be a game changer. So take a listen to this basic loop. Nothing special about it, but if we go ahead and click on Similarity Search on the drum rack and then we press through, Ableton will analyze what sounds similar and replace it with similar samples. So let's keep going. Some of them might not sound great, some of them might sound fantastic. Let's try another one. Try one more. Okay, so let's just stick with this one here. So the thing about Similarity Search is it's not only for an entire drum rack. We can, for example, we can lock the bass drum and we can just keep everything the same and then search just for everything except for the kick. So it's going to remain, that kick is going to remain there. Try again. And the other thing you can do is, let's unclick that, is you can actually do a similarity search on the actual sample itself. So say we want to change the snare. Now, Ableton's still got the hot swappable pad thing, but this is actually a pretty cool feature because you don't have to go searching for different samples. Ableton will do the analysis and search for similar samples for you. But there's a lot more to Similarity Search than just a drum rack. You can actually go ahead and, for example, in sounds, you can play a sound like this one, or this one. And on the right hand side, you've got the Similarity Search. So say you do like that brass sound, but you want something similar. What will happen here, it will analyze all the samples that you've got and it will then rank them in terms of probability that it's similar. So this is the original sample. And this is the next one down. And as you keep going down, there's less probability that they're going to be the same. Now, the other thing is I've searched everything in my library, but if I just want to, for example, just search sounds, it'll just click on there and you can just get sounds. If you just want to search, say, for samples, it'll do a similar search. You can still see here that the samples are here. Okay, and then I can just go in and, for example, search for, again, I can search for more samples. So as you can see, that's a really useful and helpful tool for searching for sounds, and it's pretty fast. Now, the other way Ableton uses Similarity Search is in using a simpler. So earlier I created a loop using a simpler and putting a sample in the simpler. So this is how it sounds. Let's take that beat off. Now what you can do here is you can go ahead and search for similar sounds and add them to simpler. Let's do that here. Now the thing is, when you transpose things or change the volume, let's increase the volume a bit and change the transposition, we'll just bring that down to -2 or to 2, that everything you search will be transposed and with that volume. So this is a really fast way to go into simpler and just quickly choose a sample that sounds similar to what you had before. So yeah, Similarity Search is a bit of a game changer for Ableton Live 12. What do you guys think of it?